So how can we outpaint, meaning extend an image, using Flux Klein? In this video, I'll show you the workflow inside ComfyUI. Here you can see the before and after comparison. The image has been extended on both the left and right sides. To do that, open the image in any image editing software you prefer. First, increase the canvas size horizontally. The most important part is that you fill the new areas with pure green. Make sure the green value is set to 255, and both red and blue are set to 0. Depending on the software you're using, the exact steps might look a bit different. What really matters is that the area you want to generate later is completely filled with that green color. First, go to Hugging Face and open the Models section. Search for Flux Klein Outpainting. Download the file. Then copy it into the LoRA folder inside your ComfyUI directory. After that, start ComfyUI. Go to Templates and search for Flux Klein. We'll use Flux Klein 4B Image Edit. On the left side, under Markdown Note, you'll see the models that are required. If you don't already have them, you can download them and place them into the folders shown there. For this tutorial, I'll assume you already have everything installed and just want to see how outpainting works. I will remove all the unnecessary nodes. This isn't required for outpainting, but it makes the workflow cleaner and easier to understand. Now we're left with only 3 nodes: Load Image, Image Edit, and Save Image. Next, we need to load our LoRA. Click the small rectangle with the arrow to open the submenu. We'll place the LoRA between the Load Diffusion Model node and the CFG Guider node. Double-click on an empty area, type LoRA, and select Load LoRA. In that node, choose the LoRA file we downloaded earlier. Then simply connect the LoRA node between the 2 existing nodes. After that, go back to the main workflow. Now load your image, the one with the green borders. In the Image Edit node, enter the prompt. Fill the green spaces according to the image. Then click Run. And here's the result. The image has been successfully extended on the left and right sides.